Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talk with Ryan and Peggy. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Peggy. Thanks for joining us today. If you're learning English and sometimes freeze when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," this episode is for you.
Exactly. Talking about yourself sounds easy, but it's one of those things that can make learners nervous.
Right. People think, what should I say? How much should I say? Am I saying it correctly? Don't worry, we'll go step by step.
Let's start simple. Peggy, if you meet someone new, what's the first thing you say about yourself?
Usually I start with my name and where I'm from. Something like, "Hi, I'm Peggy, I'm from Canada."
Exactly. That's short, clear, and natural. For beginners, you can also add what you do. For example, "Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm from the US and I'm an English teacher."
Or, "Hi, I'm Maria, I'm from Spain. I'm a student."
Yes, that structure, name, country, job, or study, is a perfect start.
You can even add something small about your personality or interests. "Hi, I'm Peggy, I'm from Canada, and I love traveling."
That's friendly and gives the listener a topic to continue the conversation.
Now, after introductions, people often ask, "Where are you from?" Let's practice how to talk about your hometown.
Good idea. You could say, "I'm from Delhi. It's a big city in northern India."
Or, "I'm from a small town near Bangkok. It's quiet and beautiful." Notice how adding a short description, big city, small town, quiet, busy, makes your answer sound more natural.
Yes, and you can share what you like about it. "I love my city because people are friendly," or "because there's great food." So instead of one sentence, try two. That helps you sound confident and keeps the conversation flowing.
Let's move to another common topic, work or studies. People often ask, "What do you do?" or "What do you study?" You can say, "I'm a teacher, I work in a bank," or "I'm studying computer science."
If you want to add more, say what you like about it. "I like my job because I meet new people," or "I enjoy studying because I want to help others." And if you don't have a job right now, you can still answer naturally. Try, "I'm looking for work," or "I'm taking a break and focusing on my family."
Exactly. Honesty sounds better than silence.
Next is one of my favorite parts, hobbies. This is where your personality shows.
Yes, you can say, "In my free time, I like to read and listen to music," or "I enjoy cooking on weekends." Try using verbs like enjoy, love, like spend time. For example, "I love playing football." "I enjoy watching movies." "I spend time with my friends." That's right. And you can even explain why you like something. "I love painting because it helps me relax."
Adding "because" makes your answer more interesting and helps your listener know you better. Now, let's talk about how to describe yourself. Your personality. This one is tricky for learners, right? Because we don't always describe ourselves in daily life.
Yes, but it's very useful for interviews or introductions. Try simple adjectives like friendly, honest, creative, hardworking, helpful, funny. For example, "I'm friendly and easygoing," or "I'm a little shy, but I like meeting new people."
Notice how you can balance it. You don't need to sound perfect. It's okay to say, "I'm sometimes lazy, but I try to be disciplined."
Exactly. That makes you sound real and confident.
Another nice topic is family. It often comes up naturally.
Right. You can start simple. "I live with my parents." Or "I have one brother and two sisters." Then maybe add something about them. "My sister is studying medicine." Or "My parents run a small business."
And if you live far from them, you can say, "My family lives in another city, but we talk often." It's good to practice that because it's very common in small talk.
Let's go a little deeper. How to talk about your goals or dreams.
Yes, you can use want to, would like to, or hope to. For example, I want to travel around the world, or I hope to start my own business, or I'd like to improve my English so I can work abroad.
That's a great example because it shows motivation. Listeners love hearing about goals.
And remember, when you talk about dreams, don't worry about grammar too much. Speak with feeling. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes learners make when talking about themselves.
Yes, good idea. Mistake number 1, speaking too fast.
Exactly. Slow down. Focus on clarity, not speed.
Mistake number 2, giving one-word answers.
If someone asks, "Where are you from?" don't just say India. Add a bit more. I'm from India. I live in Mumbai. It's a busy and exciting city.
Right. Mistake number 3, forgetting to smile or use friendly body language. Communication is not only words.
And mistake number 4, trying to sound perfect. You don't need perfect grammar to sound confident. Simple and natural is better.
Let's give listeners a short practice round.
We'll ask a few questions, and you can answer out loud wherever you are.
Okay, here we go.
Question 1. What's your name and where are you from?
Good. Question 2, what do you do?
Nice. Question 3. What do you like doing in your free time? And last one. What are your dreams or goals for the future?
Great job. Practicing out loud helps your brain build confidence. So, today we learned how to talk about yourself, your name, where you're from, work or study, hobbies, family, and dreams.
Yes, and remember, keep it simple. Add short details and practice often. If you want, write your short self-introduction in the comments below. We'll check some of them in our next episode. Good idea. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Thanks for listening to English Talk with Ryan and Peggy. See you next time. Bye everyone. Keep practicing and stay confident.